Google Pixel 11 is already becoming one of the most talked about smartphones of 2026, and the latest leaks suggest that Google may finally be ready to address some of the biggest complaints Pixel users have had for years. From a brand new Tensor G6 processor to display upgrades, AI improvements, and even a mysterious new Pixel Glow feature. The upcoming Pixel 11 could be one of Google's most important smartphone launches yet. The Pixel 11 is expected to arrive sometime in August 2026 during Google's annual Made by Google event. While the company has not officially confirmed the launch date, recent Pixel releases have all shifted to August instead of October, making a summer launch highly likely once again. Alongside the standard Pixel 11, Google is also expected to unveil the Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and Pixel 11 Pro Fold. One of the biggest questions right now is pricing. Although no reliable leaks have revealed the exact price of the Pixel 11, many industry analysts believe Google may keep the price close to the Pixel 10's starting price of $799. However, rising component costs, especially memory and chipset expenses, could result in a small increase of around $50 to $100. For now, pricing remains a mystery, but Google will likely continue offering generous trade-in deals and promotional discounts at launch. When it comes to design, don't expect a complete makeover. Leaked renders suggest that Google is sticking with the familiar Pixel design language. The signature camera bar appears to be returning, but this time it may feature an all-black finish instead of matching the phone's body color. The overall dimensions reportedly remain almost identical to the Pixel 10, meaning users can expect a similar in-hand feel. Even though the overall design may stay familiar, Google could introduce several subtle refinements. The bezels surrounding the display are rumored to become slightly thinner, giving the phone a more modern appearance. Leaks also suggest new color options, including green, purple, pink, and black variants, which would give buyers more choices than ever before. One of the most interesting rumored additions is something called Pixel Glow. Information discovered inside Android 17 beta code hints at a new hardware-based notification system. The feature could allow the back of the phone to light up with different colors when notifications arrive while the device is placed face down. If true, this would be a unique feature that helps the Pixel stand out from competing smartphones. The display is another area where significant improvements may arrive. The Pixel 11 is expected to retain the same 6.3-inch screen size, but reports suggest Google could upgrade to the latest M16 OLED display material. This advanced technology promises higher brightness levels, improved color accuracy, and better power efficiency. Outdoor visibility could become noticeably better, especially under direct sunlight. The Pixel 10 already reached impressive brightness levels, and the Pixel 11 may push those numbers even higher. Better efficiency could also contribute to longer battery life, making the display upgrade beneficial in more ways than one. Speaking of battery life, official details are still unknown. However, rumors point toward a battery capacity close to 5,000 mAh. Combined with a more efficient processor and display, users could see meaningful improvements in endurance. Charging speeds are expected to remain around 30 watts for wired charging, while Qi 2 wireless charging support is also expected to return. The camera system has always been one of the strongest selling points of Pixel phones, and the Pixel 11 could continue that tradition. Current leaks suggest a triple camera setup featuring a 4.8 megapixel main sensor, a 1.3 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10.8 megapixel 5x telephoto lens. However, the most exciting rumor involves a brand new 5.0 megapixel main sensor reportedly being developed specifically for the Pixel 11. While details remain limited, this upgraded sensor could deliver better low-light performance, improved detail, and faster image processing. Google is also expected to expand its AI-powered photography features. Enhanced cinematic blur capabilities are rumored, while many AI photo tools could finally make their way into video recording. These improvements could help the Pixel 11 maintain its reputation as one of the best camera phones available. Storage options remain uncertain, but many fans are hoping Google finally abandons the outdated 128GB starting storage option. With competing flagship phones increasingly offering 256GB as standard, the Pixel 11 may follow the same trend. On the software side, the Pixel 11 is expected to launch with Android 17 right out of the box. Google's latest operating system places a heavy focus on Gemini intelligence, bringing smarter automation features that can perform complex tasks across multiple apps. Android 17 is also expected to introduce several new productivity tools, improve multitasking with app bubbles, customizable material expressive widgets, and features designed to reduce excessive screen time. Content creators may also benefit from new editing tools and deeper integration with creative applications. But perhaps the biggest upgrade of all could be hiding inside the phone. The Tensor G6 processor is rumored to be built using an advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process. More importantly, reports suggest Google has moved production to TSMC instead of Samsung. This could significantly improve efficiency, thermal management, and battery performance. For years, Pixel users have complained about overheating and battery drain issues, particularly during mobile data usage. The Tensor G6, paired with a new MediaTek modem, may finally solve these long-standing problems. A new Titan M3 security chip is also expected, bringing even stronger protection for sensitive data and digital transactions. So, should users wait for the Pixel 11? If using a Pixel 9, Pixel 8, or an older smartphone, the answer is probably yes. The combination of a new Tensor chip, improved battery efficiency, upgraded display technology, and enhanced AI features could make the Pixel 11 a major step forward. However, for Pixel 10 owners, the decision may be more difficult. The design changes appear minor, and gamers may not see massive performance improvements due to the processor's focus on efficiency rather than raw graphics power. Even so, the Pixel 11 is shaping up to be one of Google's most refined smartphones yet. If the leaks prove accurate, this could finally be the Pixel that delivers excellent cameras, strong battery life, better thermals, and smarter AI all in one package. What do you think about the Google Pixel 11? Are these upgrades enough to convince you to upgrade, or are you waiting for something even bigger? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more smartphone leaks, news, and updates.